Hello everyone! This is Perfect Days here and welcome to my channel. My question today is, what do you do to take care of yourself during winter? Okay, so where I am, winter is fast approaching and overtaking autumn. Winter is naturally slower than a lot of other times in the year because it just takes so much time to get out the door. Shoveling the snow, wearing a parka, boots and mitts, relearning how to drive on slushy streets. Sometimes I'd just rather stay at home and take care of myself. I was lucky enough to receive a skincare package from Yesstyle to review some skincare products for the winter. Since I'm a long-time customer of Yesstyle, I decided to add a few other favorites to this video. The first thing I want to show you are these long black socks. I like them because they go over the knee and they're cozy to wear at home if you still want to wear some of your warmer weather skirts, but you don't want to do full tights. I've worn these socks indoors and outdoors, mostly casually, but they can kind of be dressed up. It's a simple, no-nonsense look and it fits the minimalistic aesthetic that I enjoy. Now onto the skincare things. Here I am just stacking up some of my favorites from this package. Yesstyle sent me 5 new products. Okay, so now with YouTube magic, I'm in my bathroom. The first one is this gel cleanser and it's from a Korean brand called B-Lab. This is the box it came with. On the description, it says, the slightly acidic cleanser similar to the pH level of healthy skin, which means it can safely be used by those with dry and sensitive skin. The gel cleanser helps the skin retain moisture after cleansing. It calms the skin and keeps the skin texture healthy. It says how to use. Take an appropriate amount, lather and wash your face, then wash with lukewarm water. Cleanse until there is no residue coming out. I like that this cleanser is pH balanced. I feel like the pH of my skin gets knocked off every time I take a shower and it takes so long for it to calm down and rebalance. So I like that this cleanser seems like it'll be gentle to the skin. It has a light natural scent, nothing overpowering. And I also like the simple packaging of this product. So next up is the Dynasty Cream. This one is also made in Korea. It has a glass jar which feels nice and heavy and that it'll keep the cream cool. The cream itself is a medium consistency and it feels very, very moist. I know I'm showing you this with my hand, but I tried this on my face the other day and it was very moisturizing, really important for the dry months. On the website, their description says, enriched with Korean ginseng and orchid extract, this cream helps improve wrinkles while moisturizing and brightening the skin. This third product is the Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face Oil. It says on the description that it is a quick absorbing face oil made from neroli oil, vitamin E, squalene, and European plum seed extract, and it offers hydration and anti-inflammatory benefits, leaving skin feeling rejuvenated. It's also free from artificial fragrances and colorings, parabens, sulfates, animal products, alcohol, mineral oil, and silicone. I'm excited to add this oil into my routine. I think it'll be very smoothing and moisturizing. The next product is a fig scrub mask from the brand I'm From. This product is the most aromatic out of all of them. I really like the way this feels on the skin. The little grains feels like it's exfoliating, and I just like that tactile sensation. I was worried that this would feel too aggressive, but it actually foams up quickly and feels gentle. So for this description, it says, packed with fig powder, this face scrub gently melts away dead skin cells while the black sugar, okay, so it's black sugar, gently exfoliates impurities to reveal fresh, clean, and moisturized skin. Evenly apply an adequate amount on the face and leave for 10 to 15 minutes before gently massaging and rinsing with lukewarm water. Vegan-friendly formula. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this on my face later. This last product is the Dr. Sorakla, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, the Dr. Sorakla Royal Vita Propolis 33 Ampule. And this feels like it would work well, and I'm excited to try in the long term. On the packaging, it says, the ampule is a moisturizing honey-like texture. It supplies the skin with rich nutrients to make it dewy and supple. Enriched with propolis extract to provide nourishment and antioxidant care to dehydrated skin, royal jelly to protect skin from free radicals, and vitamin tree extract to brighten dull complexion, suitable for sensitive or irritated skin. So another product that I like that wasn't sent was the Snail Bee Hydrogel eye patches. They're great to put on before a night out or a night in, and I'm putting in an order for these after I finish making this video. I was actually hoping that somehow these would be in this package, but it wasn't. It's okay, I'm gonna go order it. I also wanted to mention that I like these Velcro rollers from Yesstyle. It's what I use to put the subtle waves in my hair. And because my hair is naturally very straight, the claw clips really help them stay in place. I like to use these as opposed to using a hot tool because it keeps my hair healthy, although you do have to leave them in for a very long time. So sometimes I do sleep in these, and they're not very comfortable, but it does the job. My last favorite item from Yesstyle is this cute feminine blouse. You might have seen me wearing it a few times in various other videos. I like the puff sleeves and the stretchy material. It's not itchy like some other blouses that are in the style. You can wear the sleeves off the shoulder. There's also this tie here that you can leave like this, or you can pull it tighter for a different look. I know this isn't very wintry at all, but I want to mention this top because it's one of the long-standing items that I've had from Yesstyle. So I just want to mention that my Yesstyle code is PerfectDays2, and then there are links to the specific products in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to make because I already like Yesstyle for the products I can't get in North America, and I'm excited to try a few new things. Before I go, I want to know, what are you looking forward to most this winter season? Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy you're here. Until next time, I wish you all perfect days.